Right, hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Mohammed. We continue our training and the preparation for Elastic Certified Engineering exam, and today with a new topic, we will see how we use and implement pagination of the result of a search query. With that being said, let's jump to the documentation. As always, you have access to the documentation at any time during the exam, so feel free to refer. So the pagination in Elasticsearch divide, or what's the definition of it, is like divide the search result into smaller subsets, enabling you to fetch the data incrementally instead of retrieving all the results at once. This pagination is particularly useful when you are working with a large number of search results, or you need to display the result in user-friendly interfaces, such as product list or website or dashboard and so on and so forth. To be able to do that, or to implement the pagination, we have two ways. The first one is using from and size. This is the first thing. The second is using search after. So let me search for search after. Here we go. So this is the second way. We will see in our examples the two ways, or the two methods to implement the pagination. Right. We will start with the first example. So as usual, we're using the built-in or the sample data that's come with Elastic. So here, use the e-commerce, and we will jump to DevTools. Let me remove this. This is from the previous video. So since we are using, or we still with the e-commerce, so we'll call the search endpoint, and here it's query, right? So it's query, and let's say match all, right? But before or even after, like but usually, or I prefer to use it here. So we said we can use the from and size. So from here, from, add a comma here, and here add the size, right? This is so in our case here, what we are trying to basically implement is retrieve the first 10 products starting from the fifth product in our data sets, right? So it's from 0, and here we said the size we looking, or from is 5, right? So, and the size is 10. So we are looking for 10 products, right? But we start after the product 5, right? So here we run, and here we get the results, right? So if we search for ID, or this is the result, right? Now we can also implement, so the second way, this is the first way. The second, if they ask, for example, in the exam or in your work, you want to search for the product that's let's say size 10. You want just 10 documents, or 10 results, or 10 products, right? That's so retrieve the first page of results and capture the source value of the last document. Example 100, like give me 10 product that the price is more than $100 for the price, for example, right? So here I will do query, and I will do match all, right? And the source, as we implement last time, we can also add it here. So it's going to be something like this, source, and here we say let me search for price, right? So the product price is ascending, right? And now, yeah, this is the source. So I'll add the comma here and do search after. and here we put the value that we are looking for. So it's something like this, right? So, and here, if you run your query, you will get the result. Or here the explanation is like the search after parameter use the price, or here product price value of the last document from the previous page to fetch the next set of results, right? Okay. Yeah, let me see if we have another example here. Perfect. Yeah, we can also add we can replace here search after, like here we did the price, but also we can do a date, right? So I can do this. So get e-commerce search, right? And here I do, okay, size is 5, comma, next line, query match all, and here it's gonna be match all, add it. Now the sort as well, we can add the sort here, right? And here in the sort we will pick the order date, and it's gonna be, yeah, descending. Now I can add this one, so the search after, and here we give a date, right? So I can do something like this. So it's gonna be 2024 01 for example, and midday, right? So it's gonna be like this, 1200Z, and here we run the results. So as you can see here, we did not have anything. Let me change the, here we go. So 2025. So here we have some results that are coming, or the search after this date, right? We get to the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question, and we'll see you in the next video.